Thank you, Madam President. You know, during the course of session, we have honored many students for their academic achievements or their athletic achievements. And now we have students with us today. They look a little bit different, but these are CSU students who bring the spirit of each of their representative universities and make sure that campus life is more than the classroom, more than athletics, but a value of all student activities. And with us today, we have from CSU Long Beach, we have Prospector Pete. Pete. From CSU Dominguez Hills, we have Teddy the Toro. From Sonoma State, we have Lobo T. Seawolf. From CSU San Bernardino, we have Cody Coyote. And from CSU East Bay, we have Pioneer Pete. Now, the reason these mascots are here, they're normally cheering for their teams individually, and sometimes they may play one another, but today they're united in their support for the California State University system, and they are standing with the CSU. And if you want to stand with the CSU, come on and get in a picture with these guys.
Welcome to our unusual guests.
Why do you sit down in the chair?
Kevin.
Thank you. All right, colleagues, please. Back to the business on the floor. Senator Fuller.
Republican caucus.
Republican caucus called by Senator Fuller in the Cox Lounge.
Democratic caucus in the Maddie Lounge.
Democratic caucus in the Maddie Lounge. We are ready to proceed back on the daily file. Senator Wolk, for what purpose?
I'd like to move file item 35 to inactive, please.
All right, without objection, that will be the order. All right, colleagues, we are going to go to file item 30. File item 30. Senator Leno. Mr. Secretary, are you prepared, Senator Leno, in file item 30? All right, then we will go back. File item, where are we? 20, file item 27, Senator Allen. You ready? Okay. Pass on file. File item 28, Senator Nielsen is not at his desk. We will go to file item 32, no, excuse me, file item 30, Senator Leno. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 1150 by Senator Leno, an act relating to mortgages and deeds of trust.
Senator Leno.
Thank you, Madam President. Colleagues, this bill is on reconsideration, so I will spare you my impassioned introduction of it from yesterday, but just to reiterate that the purpose of the bill is to prevent any unnecessary foreclosures, to keep people in their homes after the death of the person whose name is on the mortgage, if that survivor who has inherited the property meets certain conditions, then the borrower must follow a certain very basic set of rules similar to what we put in place in the Homeowner Bill of Rights in 2012. Speaking with colleagues, I have agreed to take a number of amendments should the bill get to the Assembly side, and I would ask for your support for us to be able to get it to the Assembly side. Those 3 amendments would, first of all, exempt credit unions from the bill entirely. We've looked at the data, and it suggests that credit unions do have their own process, and they are not a part of the problem we're trying to solve here. Secondly, that we would clarify that the bill does not interfere with the ability of servicers to do underwriting when considering a successor in interest for a loan assumption or modification. So we take care of any underwriting concerns. And then lastly, we had already amended the bill significantly to narrow who would benefit from these simple rights, and that universe includes a spouse, a child, a grandchild, or someone who lived in the home as a primary residence at the time of death or within 60 days. We're going to even amend out those 60 days. So if you're not the spouse, the child or grandchild, you must have lived in that property as your primary residence at the time of the death of the original owner. So we are assured to take those amendments when we get to the Assembly. This is just making sure financial institutions follow the rules before taking someone's home, recognizing the severe hardship not only on families, but also on communities and the price of housing in those communities at the time of foreclosure. The bill has a broad spectrum of support from the Attorney General of California, the California Association of District Attorneys, Center for Responsible Lending, the AARP, the Consumer Federation of California, and the National Council of La Raza. All these organizations urge you to protect home ownership. I would ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Leno. Debate or discussion? Senator Galgiani?
I rise in support of this measure. I live in an area where we were ground zero for the foreclosure crisis. It might be that some banks are working with spouses and doing what they should be doing, but this bill sends a message to all of the banks that this is now the law and this is what everybody needs to abide by and this is what everyone needs to do. There are so many areas of the state that are still have houses that are underwater and people are struggling and can't refinance and they're basically stuck. This measure will ensure that those who want to stay in their home, who have been making payments, who are living in a family home, whether that home is worth the value that it once was or whether it isn't, they will still be able to at least at a minimum communicate with the bank so that they can try their best to hold on to a home. It helps no one when there are foreclosures, and we're still seeing them happening. And when we have foreclosures in one neighborhood, then the homeowner who's trying to sell a home at the reasonable rate that it's worth they have to falsely take an offer that's something much less than it might be worth because there are foreclosures in their neighboring area. So I ask that you join us in supporting this measure. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Galgiani. Any further debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, Senator Leno, you may close.
I ask for your aye vote.
All debate having ceased, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Anderson? No. Bates? No. Bell? Aye. Berryhill? Block? Aye. Cannella? No. De Leon? Aye. Fuller? Gaines? No. Galgiani? Aye. Glazer? No. Hall? Hancock? Aye. Hernandez? No. Hertzberg? Hill? Aye. Hueso? Aye. Huff? No. Jackson? Aye. Lada? Aye. Leno? Aye. Leyva? Aye. Liu? Aye. McGuire? Aye. Mendoza? Mitchell? Aye. Monning? Aye. Morlock? No. Morell? No. Wynn? Wynn? No. Nielsen? Pan? Aye. Pavley? Aye. Roth? Runner? Stone? No. Vidak? No. Wykowski? Aye. Wolk? Aye.
Please call the absent members.
Thank you. Allen? Aye. Berryhill? Fuller? Hall? Hertzberg? Mendoza? Nielsen? No. Roth? Runner?
Call the absent members one more time.
Berryhill? Fuller? Hertzberg? Hall? Hertzberg? Hall, aye. Mendoza? Roth? Runner?
Ayes 21, noes 13. The measure passes. All right, members, we are going to take 3 of Senator Jackson's bills up at this time. Senator Leno, which number is, Senator Jackson, which bill is it?
Could we start with file item 100, please?
140? Yes.
File item 100,
File item 100.
SB 868.
Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 868 by Senator Jackson, an act relating to aviation.
Senator Jackson.
Thank you, Madam President and members. This is SB 868, a bill that establishes a basic set of sensible and intelligent drone regulations that strike a balance between protecting public safety, our right of privacy, our wildlife, while at the same time encouraging exciting innovation and technology. I will try not to drone on, but this development of small unmanned aircrafts or drones offer great economic opportunity in a number of sectors of our state, but the lack of clear rules governing their use threatens to undermine public safety and harm California's natural resources. To date, the lack of regulation on drone use has led to disputes between neighbors, impacts on our wildlife, near collisions with aircraft and helicopters, interference with firefighting efforts, and accidents injuring innocent bystanders. Irresponsible or even dangerous operators and their drones should not be able to threaten our safety, our private property, or our critical infrastructure. This measure implements common sense rules, ensuring that drone use does not harm these items and that still provides for the reasonable use of drones for technological and productive purposes. Among other things, this bill limits drone use within 500 feet of critical infrastructure, within 1,000 feet of a heliport, or within 5 miles of an airport without permission or FAA authorization. It limits disruptive drone use near private property. It limits drone use over state parks, wildlife refuges, the state capitol, or other designated safety areas without a permit or permission. It prohibits the weaponization of drones, which frankly is becoming of great concern, and prohibits the reckless operation of drones or interference with manned aircraft. Requires commercial drone users to obtain liability insurance or provide proof of financial responsibility. And yet it continues to let local governments regulate drone use in their own communities and provides exceptions for skilled operators who have received authorization from the FAA to fly in otherwise restricted areas. Colleagues, this is a balanced bill that tries to take into account this new technology while at the same time recognizing the challenges this new technology has on our quality of life for all our communities. And with that, I would respectfully ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Jackson. Senator Cannella.
Thank you, Madam President. I rise in opposition to this bill. I opposed it in transportation. Part of the requirements is you cannot operate a drone within 5 miles of an airport without permission, so you have to get written permission, I assume. Well, in the city of Ceres, where I live, 5 miles from the airport is the entire city. So within the entire city of Ceres, you cannot operate a drone. I think that's a little restrictive. Currently, we just have to notify the tower or notify the FFA that we have a drone. In this case, we have to get permission, which means they're not going to get permission, and really we're not going to be able to fly the drone. So I don't think this is a good bill. I think it goes way too far, and I would suggest a no vote. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Cannella. Members, any further discussion or debate? Senator Jackson, would you like to close?
Thank you. Yes. To clarify the concerns that were just expressed, the written permission is not required. This does not in any way impede what the FAA already does. They have the authority over areas where there are airports. This is an attempt, colleagues, to fill in the blanks that exist because this technology, as many technologies, have gone ahead of what we as a society are capable of dealing with through the normal, traditional methods, because technology is so advanced, things that we never had anticipated have arisen. This is an attempt to provide basic construct for these new technologies to allow them to flourish while at the same time not undermining the way we have lived our lives, the way we need to live our lives, both in terms of our privacy, protecting our wildlife, and protecting critical infrastructure. With that, I would ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Jackson. Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Aye. Anderson? No. Bates? No. Bell? Aye. Berryhill? No. Block? Aye. Cannella? No. De Leon? Aye. Fuller? No. Gaines? Galgiani? Glazer? Hall? Hancock? Aye. Hernandez? Aye. Hertzberg? Aye. Hill? Aye. Hueso? Aye. Huff? No. Jackson? Aye. Lara? Aye. Leno? Aye. Leyva? Aye. Liu? Aye. McGuire? Aye. Mendoza? Aye. Mitchell? Aye. Monning? Aye. Morlock? No. Morell? No. Wynn? No. Nielsen? No. Pan? Aye. Pavley? Aye. Roth? Aye. Runner? Stone? No. Vidak? No. Wykowski? Aye. Wolk? Aye.
Please call the absent members.
Gaines? Galgiani? Glazer? Aye. Hall? Aye. Runner?
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Ayes 25, noes 12. The measure passes. Senator Jackson, did you want to move to file item 36 or 48?
We go to 36.
File item 36. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 1166 by Senator Jackson, an act relating to employment.
Senator Jackson.
Thank you, Madam President and colleagues. Colleagues, California falls behind the District of Columbia, Maine, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Oregon, Washington, and now the state of New York in providing job-protected parental leave for small business employees. Under current law, only those who work for an employer of 50 or more are eligible for job-protected family or protected parental leave in California, which leaves more than 40% of California workers without any job-protected family leave, and many new parents struggling with an impossible choice between the well-being of their newborn and their family's financial security. This bill is narrowly focused on new parents. It would extend job-protected parental leave for a maximum of 12 weeks to those who work for an employer of 10 or more. To be eligible, however, the employee must have worked for their current employer for a full year and for at least 1,250 hours in that year, which is slightly more than half-time, but for a full year. If the employee is also eligible for bonding leave under California's Family Rights Act and/or the Federal Family and Medical Leave Act, that leave must run concurrently, not consecutively. It has to all be used up together and not extended. Under no circumstances can the aggregate amount of job-protected bonding leave provided under all state and federal laws exceed 12 weeks. I want to be clear on that because there was some concern, and I know that some of the opposition has made representations to the contrary. They are not accurate. Experts, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, recommend that healthy full-term infants should not be enrolled in childcare until they're at least 12 weeks old due to rapid development changes and the risk of quickly developing severe undetected illnesses. These first weeks, colleagues, in a child's, in an infant's life are also critical to that healthy infant attachment, which we know relates to a child's likelihood of success in school and in life's relationships. It's also critical for the new parents, and this law provides that the mom or dad, the new parents, are eligible to take that unpaid leave in order to bond with the child. This measure will help ensure that fewer employees have to choose between the well-being of their new child and their family's financial security. It is also one of the priority bills for the Legislative Women's Caucus this year. And with that, I would ask for your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Jackson. Seeing no discussion or debate, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Anderson? No. Bates? No. Bell? Aye. Berryhill? No. Block? Aye. Canella? No. DeLeon? Fuller? No. Gaines? No. Galgiani? Glazer? Hall? Aye. Hancock? Aye. Hernandez? Aye. Hertzberg? No. Hill? Aye. Hueso? Huff? No. Jackson? Aye. Lara? Aye. Leno? Aye. Leyva? Aye. Liu? Aye. McGuire? Aye. Mendoza? Aye. Mitchell? Aye. Monning? Aye. Morlock? No. Morrell? No. Wynn? No. Nielsen? No. Pan? Pavley? Aye. Roth? Runner? Stone? No. Vidak? No. Wykowski? Aye. Wolk? Aye.
Please call the absent members.
Allen? Aye. DeLeon? Galgiani? DeLeon, aye. Galgiani? Glazer? No. Hueso? Pan? Roth? Runner? Pan, aye. Hueso, aye.
Ayes 22, noes 14, measure passes. Members, we are now going to move to file item 48. Senator Jackson, Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 900 by Senator Jackson, an act relating to state lands.
Senator Jackson.
Thank you, Madam President and colleagues. In the 1890s, the Summerland oil field in Santa Barbara County became the site of the world's first offshore oil drilling. These wells predated the creation of regulatory agencies and well record keeping. Many, if not all, of these wells were not properly capped at the end of their lives, causing fresh oil to foul the ocean and beaches on a regular basis to this very day. All of the companies that operated these wells are long out of business, and with no responsible party to abandon these 200-plus wells as the landowner responsible to remediate this well, we are stuck with these wells continuing to create this mess on our shore and in our ocean. SB 900 directs the State Lands Commission to conduct an inventory of these legacy oil wells or orphaned wells on our coastal waters and to begin remediating them. Thank you. This bill has had bipartisan support, and I urge your aye vote.
Thank you, Senator Jackson. Seeing no discussion or debate, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen? Aye. Anderson? No. Bates? Aye. Bell? Aye. Berryhill? Aye. Block? Aye. Canella? Aye. DeLeon? Aye. Fuller? Gaines? No. Galgiani? Glazer. Aye. Hall. Aye. Hancock. Aye. Hernandez. Aye. Hertzberg. Aye. Hill. Aye. Waso. Huff. Waso. Aye. Huff. Aye. Jackson. Aye. Lada. Aye. Leno. Aye. Leyva. Aye. Liu. Aye. McGuire. Aye. Mendoza. Aye. Mitchell. Monning. Aye. Morlock. Morel. No. Wynn. Aye. Nielsen. Pan. Aye. Pavley. Aye. Roth. Aye. Runner. Stone. No. Vidak. Aye. Wykowski. Aye. Wolk. Aye.
Please call the absent members.
Fuller. Galgiani. Aye. Mitchell. Aye. Morlock. No. Nielsen. Runner.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Ayes 32, noes 5, measure passes. Members, we're going to return to file item order. File item 32, Senator Pan. Mr. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 877 by Senator Pan, an act relating to public health.
Senator Pan.
Thank you, Madam President and Senators. I present to you Senate Bill 877, which will require the California Department of Public Health to reestablish and maintain the California Electronic Violent Death Reporting System. Violence can be prevented when we have the data to understand its causes and what we can do to effectively mitigate risk factors. SB 877 is a first step toward that prevention. With proper data, we can better understand what drives violent deaths and address the roots of the problem. The California Electronic Violent Death Reporting System is based off of the National Violent Death Reporting System, which is a state-based surveillance system. As a state with the highest population in our nation, California should be a participant in this important national database, as well as being able to look at its own information. SB 877 will give us the information to make smarter decisions and to keep the public safe. There's currently no formal opposition to the bill, and I respectfully ask for an aye vote.
Any debate or discussion on this item? Any debate or discussion? Seeing and hearing none, Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Allen. Aye. Anderson. No. Bates. No. Bell. Aye. Berryhill. No. Block. Aye. Canella. Aye. De Leon. Fuller. Gaines. Fuller, no. Gaines, no. Galgiani. Glazer. Aye. Hall. Aye. Hancock. Aye. Hernandez. Aye. Hertzberg. Aye. Hill. Aye. Waso. Aye. Huff. No. Jackson.
Aye.
Aye. Lada. Aye. Leno. Aye. Leyva. Aye. Liu. Aye. McGuire. Aye. Mendoza. Aye. Mitchell. Monning. Aye. Morlock. Morel. No. Wynn. Nielsen. No. Pan. Aye. Pavley. Aye. Roth. Aye. Runner. Stone. No. Vidak. No. Wykowski. Aye. Wolk.
Please call the absent members.
De Leon. Galgiani. Aye. Mitchell. Aye. Morlock. Aye. Wynn. Aye. Runner. Bulk.
Ayes 27, noes 10. The measure passes. File item 33, Senator Bell, excuse me. Senator, there are two guys, I know. My mistake. Senator Bell. Secretary, please read.
Senate Bill 879 by Senator Bell, an act relating to housing and declaring the urgency thereof to take effect immediately.